Hello everyone! Welcome back to our YouTube channel! I'm Jess and this is my daughter, our daughter Chloe. So yung asawa ko ay nag-work. And today's video pala yun mamaya igugupitan ko si Chloe dahil yung buhok niya ay mahaba na nagsasagnoy. Kasi nagbabother na sa mata niya. So kailangan ko ng gupitan. Kasi tinatay ko na pungos. Basta tinatay ko siya. Tay. Kaso kinukuha niya yung pungos niya, yung lubid. Yung rubber band sa buhok niya. Kaya yun, napag-desisyonan ko na, gugupitan ko na lang po si Chloe po. But bago niyan, papakainin ko muna siya ng breakfast niya. Late na rin kami nagising, 10:25 na dito ng umaga sa France. And hapon sa Pilipinas po. Hello, Chloe! So last night pala, 12 midnight. Umiyak si Chloe, pero tulog na siya. I don't know ano nangyari sa kanya. Baka nanaginip siguro. Kaya yun. No, nanaginip si Chloe po. Ano po ang panaginip ni Chloe po? Ano yung maging damgoday? Why you cry? I don't know what the reason why. Hindi naman siya kinakabagan. Baka lang, kasi yung umiyak siya, close pa rin yung mata niya. Hindi yung umiyak siya bigla ng sirado pa yung mata niya. So, siguro masama yung panaginip niya. Nagdasal naman tayo di ba? Nagpray tayo before we sleep, no? I don't know. Baka nalaglag si Chloe. Yung dream niya, nalaglag si Chloe po. Kitty Pie. Hello po. I'm gonna cut my hair later po. I have a bangs po later po. So, ito na unahan. So, yan usually yung ginagawa niya pag nagbabother na yung So, mas better na kukupitan ko na lang siya. Yan. Lagyan ko na lang siya ng bangs. Hello po. Hello everyone. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Hello. Clap. Clap your hands. No. Clap your hands. 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 Say no. Say no. Ang kamot gani. No. Head, shoulders lang head. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Alam niya yung ulo pero the rest hindi niya na alam. Po yung breakfast si Chloe, spaghetti po. Ito po ay nabili ko sa Carrefour. So kagabi pinakain ko siya nito. So nung natira pinakain ko rin kasi sayang ko hindi ko naman ipapakain. So pang baby talaga to na pagkain. Si Chloe, ang haba ng buhok niyo. Gusto niya yung spaghetti din Pero minsan nauumay din siya. Ito kung paano ko gugupitan si Chloe mamaya. Kasi baka, kinakabahan din ako. Baka kasi ma-accident kasi na mapila, masugatan. Hopefully hindi lang. And also yung buhok niya. Kahapon nga nagbangs naman ulit ako. Parang bukya na naman ako nito. Good kasi pwede naman ganyan mahahide. So, ito na. Gagawin ko na siya. So, I think 2 years ko muna yung buhok ni Chloe. Kasi gusto ko din na mapungos. Matay ko din yung buhok niya na parang 2 years. So, kaya gaganyan din. Ito ginawa ko. Wait lang. So, parang gagawan ko siya ng bangs. Ayan. Oh, hi! Sana hindi siya umiyak. Chloe! Arit! Mo? Bigyan natin ng pangalan. Kaya hindi siya Hindi talaga ako magaling maggupit sa bata. Ako nagugupit sa asawa ko. Mamaya nga gugupitan ko din siya. sana maging successful tong kay Chloe. Gusto ko din kasi na matay din yung buhok niya. So, ito, bangs. Ayan. So, ito yung bangs niya. No! Para hindi mag-ano. Mama! Ang hirap! Nyari! Chloe! Nyari kay Chloe! Chloe! Anyari sa buhok ni Chloe! Kinala na! Kawawa si Chloe! Hindi siya happy sa ano. Chloe, look at yourself. Sama ng tingin sa akin. Sorry, parehas na tayo, Chloe. Sorry po, Chloe. Ito kahaba yung nakuha ko. Hindi kasi nagpaimundong eh. Haba pa naman yan. Sorry po. Ginawa mo sa buhok ko, mama. Anong ginawa ni mama sa buhok? Sorry po. Can you say hello? Hello, hello. Okay. Bad. Kawawang Chloe Wing. Ginawa ng mama sa buhok. Kawawa ba? Ganda-ganda pa rin. So, hindi ko na talaga pinutol na ng ano. Kasi baka mag-disgrasya na din. So, yan na lang talaga yung nakaya ko. Umiyak siya kasi gusto niya kunin yung scissor. Delikado kasi yun. Kaya hindi ko na pinutol. Yan na yung... Oh, yun. So far, okay naman. Ayan. Okay lang, Chloe. Bata ka pa naman. Para sa kami may bangs. O, diba? Chloe. Kawawang Chloe. So, yun lang talaga yung pagputol ko. Bahala na dyan. Uy. Chloe pala, pinaligo ko na po si Chloe po. Hello po. Yan. Kailangan natin siyang... May mahaba pa nga. Kawawa naman. Hala! Gusto din kasi eh. Say hello, Nay. Hello! Say hello. Hello, Nay. Hello! Ulo. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello, vlog. Welcome to my guys. Hello. Gusto din kasi mag-vlog eh, na. Alexa, stop. Gusto din ni Chloe mag-vlog. Say hello, guys. Say hello. Chloe, aret, no. Te, guba na eh. So, today eh, good. So, ano ko, i-razor ko yung buhok ng asawa ko. Pasan siya. Magpapagwapo siya, okay? Oh, wait lang. Tulog si Chloe, so yun. So, it's been a month. It's been a month that I didn't cut your hair, right? I think. So, ito yung buhok niya. So, ito buhok niya. Hindi pa naman, kaso nga lang, may utang ako sa kanya. So, sabi niya, because I have a debt to you. Debt.
Yes, chicken debt.
Yeah. Wait lang. I will try first the other. Because maybe it's too long. Wait lang. Ito muna yung sustain or 12. I forgot eh. Ilang beses na rin ako sa kanya, gugupit, nag-razor ng buhok niya. Kaya, para masanay na rin ako. I used to it already. That's why I'm not shaking. Every time I touch your hair. Hopefully, hindi ko makat yung ano niya, yung ear niya. Hopefully, I will not accidentally cut your ear. Because it will be sakit.
Yes.
Yan. So, ako na talaga yung talaga sa kanya. Naggugupit. Hindi na siya pumupunta
Talaga.
Hindi na siya pumupunta ng hairdresser. The time I arrived here, never... no, you did last time. First hairdresser.
Yeah, maybe yes. Yeah, one time, yes.
Okay.
I talk about him. I talk to him about, I mean,
Because I'm not
my wife now.
Yeah, because I'm not, I'm not confident. No, I'm not confident to cut your hair, that's why.
Yeah. Well, we didn't buy yet, or I did?
No, not yet, but no.
Yeah, I didn't buy this.
He didn't buy yet the razor.
Yes.
So, that's why. Pumunta pa siya ng hairdresser.
Yes. Well, I think the razor cost just maybe 3 times a haircut, so it's fast to...
Can you... Thank you. Yan. Gwapo ng asawa ko eh. You're so handsome, love. Handsome. Parang hindi paniwala.
Thanks to you. If not for you, I would be like a crazy professor.
Crazy professor. Ang bilis lang pa sa razor. It's very easy to use razor. I don't know why hairdresser took much time to cut hair.
Yeah.
No?
Really.
Love them.
Well, yes, they try to be...
Very stylish.
Yes.
Yeah.
So they try to justify the price too.
Yeah.
Because they take a long time.
Because
if it was only like 2 minutes haircut, like
it's not
15 euro.
Yeah, it looks like it sounds like it's like not worth it
Yes.
because it's so fast.
Yes.
But you prefer fast, right?
Oh, I prefer fast. Yes, of course. In all domains.
In all the months.
Domains.
It's not too short. It's okay.
Oh, it's okay. It's perfect. Quite
Wait,
looks, of course, with the brightness of the
brightness
light,
of yes. But it's fine, huh?
Looks bad, but yeah, it's okay.
Good that I change it because it's
easier.
No. It's maybe it's 4 to 6. It's more it's more short.
Oui. Wow.
So is this right then? Like 25 centimeter? Hindi ko sure.
Millimeter.
Millimeter?
Yeah.
So 25 is okay lang?
To
cut.
Well, anyways, that's the shortest. No, that's the longest. Okay.
Until now, kinakabahan pa rin ako. Pero, pinsya na.
Okay.
I feel nervous pa a bit to cut your hair with this. It's because I feel
you think it will go pinch the skin?
Yeah, it will be disaster.
Like pain?
Spain?
No, but my skin looks doing disaster. Painful or will hurt me? You think?
Because maybe it will be hurt your skin. Or maybe her ear. Because it looks like very sharp.
This is protection, no?
But it's still.
You can touch touch the skin with it, it's okay. You will be scared.
Ang gwapo Saan ba? Gwapo ba? Mini hair. 1 seconds lang ba? 1 minute. Like the
it was 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
That was a countdown.
Medyo parang 2 minutes lang.
First video.
Yes, very fast.
It will be a YouTube short.
So that's all lang for today's video mga kami. So see you to our next vlog. Bye-bye!